Hello! In today's video I'm gonna test this product, which is Nikwax fabric and leather proof protectant. It's supposed to be special wax for your shoes, your boots and fabrics, to see if it actually works. I want to see if it actually works if I want to waterproof my shoes. Alrighty, so same shoes. So about a week or 2 weeks ago I did a test when I was spraying my shoes with a 303 fabric protectant, and it really didn't make any much difference. So today I'm gonna do the test with Nikwax, and so I sprayed this product on my left shoe. Right shoe was only sprayed with the 303. Last time, as you could see, it was leaking a little bit on the sides after about 4 or 5 minutes. So this product I sprayed on the shoes when the shoes were wet. I let it dry for about 2-3 days, and then now let's do the test. Alrighty, so I have my spray head set to mist because I want to kind of simulate situation when I'm gonna be hiking, and then I want to make sure that my shoes are not gonna be wet and they're gonna be beating the water, and they're not gonna go and leak my water. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna go spray it for about 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna do this from time to time, and then we're gonna find out if my socks are wet or not. So on the side you can see so far so good. It's beating. It's beating also on the right, which was 303. So let's pretend we're walking. Okay, get the water out. Let's see. That Nikwax cost about $10 on Amazon. You spray it on, leave it, and then it's not supposed to be damaging any materials. And as you can see, so far so good, but right now I have about a minute and a half. So let's go pretend like we're walking. Okay. Oh, actually I'm starting to feel a little bit something on my left shoe. So as you can see, the beading is fine on both shoes for about first minute and a half. After that, see those areas right here, they don't show beading anymore, which means the material is soaking the water, and when it's water gonna be standing, this leads to the leaks, and then you don't want to be hiking with your socks wet and your feet wet. Okay, so this is, I don't think this product actually does what it's supposed to. Okay, and I am right now at about 2 minutes and 46 seconds, so I'm still okay, and I'm doing a little mist. I'm not dumping it in the water. And I'm not cutting that video, as you can see. It's just the mist. So when you're gonna be walking, hiking, there's gonna be rain all over the place, or you're gonna be walking in the wet grass. Okay. So the material is beading over here. Right here it's not. So I'm curious if the material is going to be waterproof. We're getting closer to 3.5 minutes. Okay. So, and those are supposed to be waterproof shoes by Merrell's. And I'm starting to feel that my socks are getting wet. So unfortunately Yeah, this is not waterproof, and this is the real waterproof test, not when you dump your shoes in water for a second and say, oh yeah, they are waterproof. It's not waterproof to me. Okay, so let me, yeah, my feet are starting to get wet. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and let's inspect. Oh, I can feel like my socks are all wet, so now I'm going to keep recording so you can see I'm not cheating. Alrighty, I'm gonna take my shoes off and we're going to examine my. So this is the right sock with 303. As you can see, socks are wet here. My big toe is wet. Now, big reveal: does Nikwax actually make your shoes waterproof? Let's see. And as you can see, not. My toes are wet. My side of the sock is all wet. Alright, so conclusion: this does not work as advertised. So I'm sorry, Nikwax. This program does nothing. Maybe it does something else on different products, different materials, but it does not work on my shoes. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.